Well, we got the amazing digital Circus finale. It was good, I thought. What a crazy successful like indie animation show. Very good. So let's draw Jax, like messed up Jax. This was like one of the like most messed up lines from him in the whole thing, and he pulls his face looking at Ragatha like, you're going to get to see your mom after all. Okay, so let's try this. I'm on a landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So we got one big eye, one small eye, so his head is like here and the hand is like down here. He's looking crazy. So let's go curve for the big eye. Up and down, and then this comes around the bottom. And then he has sort of make it look sort of 3D, so we'll just go around it again. Because his eyes are kind of a bit three-dimensional. So it's like a shadow portion of the eye, you know, just around it. And then there's a box. Inside for his eye. And then we get his eyebrow, sort of arched villain sort of eyebrows. There. And then it kind of goes over his head, so it spikes down. And then back towards the front. He's got a line under here. And then his other eye is kind of smaller. It's kind of more rectangular. So we'll just go around down that way. There. And then we'll add just an extra little line around here again. This is optional, you don't have to do the shadow line. I just find it's handy to make it look more 3D. And then square eye just here, looking at Ragatha, who's like over here somewhere. Who like can't believe what he's saying. Right, and then other eyebrow, very spiky. And then mouth sort of twisted into this weird evil smile. I like that, and the smile maybe has a little bit of an inside 3D section. There. And then the teeth. And then that sort of oval head. So we'll just go right around there. And then the bunny ears. And then the neck. those straps on his shoulders. Shoulders down that way, and then the big fingers, and they're just like sort of cartoon like balloon things because they're real close to us, so we just get three there, and then the thumb, and that's it. Jacks. Twisted Jacks. It's good though. You can't, you know, kind of, when you see his backstory, kind of like he is a bit messed up, but good show. Good for something like that was just put out on YouTube anyway. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.